everyone. I'm Mandy with Irving Public Library, and I am here with one of our children's librarians, Stephanie.
Gimbal, hi.
And we are going to do an unboxing video of books that we purchased with a grant from the Texas Book Festival. It was a $2,500 grant that we used to purchase books for the children's department here at Valley Ranch Library. So let's get started.
Ooh, I can't wait to see these new books.
Yes, we're going to start with the small box first. Let's see what we have.
They're all wrapped up.
Oh, yes. Okay. Here we go. So we picked a few different types of books. We picked some books about English, learning the English language, or books that are for beginning readers.
Parts of speech.
Yeah, parts of speech. You can go ahead and start pulling some out too, Stephanie.
Wow!
Here's one about periods, and then I see you've got one about conjunctions.
Conjunctions. Commas.
All right.
Adverbs.
Spelling.
Adjectives.
So
We're going to know our grammar.
yeah, a lot of parents up here are really looking for books here that help kiddos with their grammar. We've got some verbs and prepositions, all different parts of speech. So I think these will be a big hit. And then we've also purchased some books. Here's one called The Call to Hajj. So we purchased some books about world religions, specifically focusing on South Asian culture and religion, since we have a lot of folks in the area who are from that part of the world.
Very nice.
Yeah. Oh, here's a nice 111 Trees, How One Village Celebrates the Birth of Every Girl. That sounds really nice. Oh, we finished one box.
Already?
Already. All right. Let's see what our next boxes hold. Go. All right. So Stephanie, you helped us select the books for the grant. You want to talk a little bit about your process?
Yes. Well, we have a large population of South Asian, people who South Asian heritage.
Mm-hmm.
And so I looked for things that would go with their traditions, or maybe the country of their heritage. And I also looked for some holiday books.
Oh, like this one, Ramadan, the Holy Month of Fasting.
Yes, that's a Muslim holiday. And we also got some Hindu holidays like Holi and Diwali. Diwali's coming up soon.
Oh yeah, that's great. Perfect timing to get the book order in.
Also some books of some famous people who are of Asian background. This is Kalpana Chawla.
Wow, that's awesome. Here, another famous person, the Elephant Doctor of India.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, that looks like a good one. Nice. All right, let's see what else we've got. I Wonder About Allah, and another book about Diwali.
Yay. Before I was a librarian, I was an English teacher.
Oh yeah.
So you can't imagine how excited I am to see parts of speech. And oh, look at this. Synonyms and antonyms, similes and metaphors.
This one about pronouns. Another one about verbs.
We are going to be so smart.
Yes. Oh, and here is another inspirational person, Malala. So a book that we can learn about her and all of the things that she has done to make the world a better place. A is for Asian American. Oh, I imagine that is going to be pretty popular up here.
Ooh, another inspirational person, Gandhi.
Oh, this one's gonna make me hungry. P is for poppadoms. Yum. 30 inspiring Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders who have shaped the United States. It's called We Are Here. Oh, that looks like a great book. I might have to check that one out myself. All right, what else? School's Guide to Good Grammar.
Oh, that would have been good for Halloween.
Yes, we're filming this
We
right
just
after
finished-
Halloween.
Yes, we just had Halloween yesterday. Don't know when you'll be watching this, but yesterday was Halloween.
The cooking of India. I'd have to go get Indian food for lunch. The Forest Man. Illustration on this one is so
Oh, that's
cute.
pretty. Here's one about someone who was a trailblazer for women's education. Another girl power.
Yeah. That's a subject close to my heart. Okay, The Forest Keeper, another true life story. She sang for India. And, find out monuments of India. Oh, look at these beautiful buildings.
I know about the Taj Mahal, but I don't
Yeah.
know what the other monuments are.
Yes, I've been to the Taj Mahal, and it was spectacular.
On my list.
Oh, yeah, for sure. All right. Oh, we're almost done with this box, too. My Incredible India. Amazing Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders who had Great, gonna grab those.
Sure. Oh, timelines from Indian history.
Wow. That is something that I don't know a lot about, so I might look at that book, too. The Boy Who Dreamed of Infinity. Math one. Right. Oh, Kelly Yang is a very popular author, and she's got a book here called Yes, We Will, Asian Americans Who Shaped This Country. India's Space Odyssey. A lot of people might not know that India has a really nice, big space program. Mama in Congress. Ah, how cool. All right, last box.
Last box. Really wraps these up carefully with lots of paper.
Yes.
Oh, more holiday books. Ramadan.
Oh, another book just about the Taj Mahal. Beautiful.
Shining a Light, celebrating 40 Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders who changed the world.
Oh, we've seen a lot of books about India, and here's one about Pakistan.
Oh, here's a graphic novel. I know the kids love the graphic novel.
Oh, they sure do.
Graphic novel about Congo.
Nice. Right. My life as a Sikh, and also my life as a Hindu, and my life as a Muslim. So learning about 3 of the major world religions. That's great.
Here's
More.
a STEM book. Science, technology, engineering, and math.
All right. Another book about Malala. Oh, and here's another one of our learning about English language. We've got learn irregular plural nouns with elves, learn collective nouns with mermaids, and learn capitalization with wizards. Wow, these books will be really fun.
Grammar is magical.
Yes. All right.
Oh, this is a pretty one. Crayola colors of India.
Wow.
Ooh, beautiful.
All right, more about the Taj Mahal in India, travel, Ramadan, one more about Malala.
One about Sikhism. Did I pronounce that correctly? Sikhism?
I believe so. Oh, more English language, compound sentences, apostrophes, and verb tenses with dragons. Where were these books when my son was learning to read?
I love this author and illustrator, Demi, and her pictures are always just beautiful. And this one is called Shiva.
Beautiful. Oh, Amma, tell me how Krishna fought demons.
Oh, people who worked for peace. There's MLK and Gandhi on the cover.
Oh, wow.
But there are many, many people who fought for peace in this book.
Beautiful. I remember a recognition of Muslim loyalty and sacrifice in World War I. Is this the same author illustrator that you were talking about before?
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow. Look at the vibrant colors on the front of this book.
And that's a folktale that teaches math.
Oh,
1 grain of rice.
nice.
And here's another folktale that won the Caldecott medal, which is a medal for the illustrations. It's called Once a Mouse.
Right. Oh, I belong to the Muslim faith. And here's one that is Tales, Myths, and Legends of India called Seasons of Splendor.
If you want some nursery rhymes, here's Mother Goose Goes to India.
Oh, fun. And another one that is the Amma Tell Me About series. This one is about Hanuman.
And here's 1001 Inventions and Awesome Facts from Muslim Civilization.
Oh, wow.
It's a National Geographic. Kids love those National Geographic books.
So that's all we have in these boxes. However, we still have just a few more books to come in. We had a couple that were back ordered. So what you saw coming out of the boxes is the majority of the collection purchased with this Texas Book Festival grant. But we will have a few more trickling in over the next month or so. Stephanie, how soon can we see these books on the shelves?
I think these books will probably be out on the shelves tomorrow.
Hooray! All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us for this unboxing video. And Texas Book Festival, thank you so much for the grant funds for these wonderful books that will be serving our community here in Valley Ranch.